This in-service video will provide you with basic instructions on manipulation of the CAAB disposable cutter stapler with knife from Panther Healthcare. For more information, please refer to the instructions for use included in the package. The CAAB disposable cutter staplers with knife are shipped sterile with one reloading unit in place. Description: Anvil. Reload. Push rod. Firing handle. Retaining pin knob. Release button. Method of operation. Remove the red protector by pressing the thumb on the push. Place tissue between the jaws. The retaining pin can be pushed manually or automatically. Squeeze the firing handle halfway. Firing handle will get locked with jaws half closed. In this position, doctor can adjust the tissue without unnecessary trauma. Squeeze the firing handle fully and release it to make sure it moves back to the original position. In this position, the jaws are fully closed. Continuously squeeze the firing handle until stops to complete the stapling and cutting functions. Press release button. The jaws will open and the tissue will fall out. To remove the reloading unit, grasp the finger pads at the top and pull it straight upward from the jaws. To reload the instrument, make sure RU groove is corresponding with cartridge siding splint. Insert the RU into the metal cartridge housing and push firmly downward. Then remove the red protector. Features and benefits: unique design with a cutting blade, cut and sew together. Vertical direction for cutting and stapling. Stapling is prior to cutting to ensure smooth and complete cut on very thick tissue. Extra long shaft, 265 millimeters. The length exceeds competition products to make sure easy access in narrow pelvis. Enough supplied blood around the line cut will ensure that no ischemic necrosis will occur.